You can export most reports and lists in QuickBooks Online to an Excel file. To export list data from QuickBooks Online Plus to a Microsoft Excel file, click the Export to Excel button, which appears towards the upper right corner of the list in the page. Separately, to export reports in QuickBooks Online to Excel, run the report, click the Export button towards the upper right corner of the report header, and then click the Export to Excel command. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.